Greeting Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually format thumb drive. Yes, this particular thumb drive, we're going to format it. I'm going to guide you through this particular here and how we can actually format it right here on your computer. Right? So the first thing you want to plug in the thumb drive. Now when you put in the thumb drive, what you wanted to do, you will see show up right here. If you don't, you're going to come right here and you're going to click right here on the file explorer. Notice when I do that, you notice you're going to come right here and click on this PC. Now when you click on this PC, this itself right here is a file, is a thumb drive. So you want to right click on the thumb drive. When you right click on the thumb drive, you notice right here shows a format. Alright, you notice this is the dialog box, but formatting we want to focus on. Then we want to click on word format. Now when you click on word format, this is what actually come up right over here. Alright. This is start or close. Now we're going to click on word start. Now when you click on start, you notice right away it's the warning. Formatting will ease all the data under this. To format it, you have to click OK or cancel. Right? So definitely this is something that you want to pay close attention to. If you want to get rid of that, I don't, you press cancel. But I want to format it, I click on OK. Now when I click on OK, now what I have to do definitely, just wait until when the process come through, right? And if you notice right here, it's a formatting complete. You click on OK, and if you notice, that's exactly how it goes. You can come right here and close it. And if you notice your thumb drive, format, clean, nice, and all of that. So hope you have learned something. So just remember, give it a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.